Y'all ready for day number 9? Number 9. Let's find us a stocking. Up here's one at the top. Let's get it down. What about this one right here? What do y'all think might be in it? I don't have any idea. I don't. I feel a little piece of paper. If I can get a hold of it. Caterpillar Premium Crafting Flex Light. Flexible LED light for sewing, quilting, and crafting. I do not have this, but it is something that I have wanted. So I need to put that on my Christmas list. The mister asked me what I wanted. So some of these things that I looked at that I forgot about, I'm now finding again. So let's pull this up and see what we can find out about it. Caterpillar. It's cutter, not catter. Cutter. Cutterpiller or AR. Caterpillar Flex Light. Okay. They run anywhere in price. The dog's up here. They run around $50 to up, 50 and up. Let's see what this one is. $60 at the Fat Quarter shop. See what all comes with it. It's an accessory kit. Okay, this accessory kit is separate from the light, it says. All right, so let's go back and see. Caterpillar has lots of things, evidently. Lots and lots of goodies. Here is the sewing light. Flex sewing light. It's $27, but they're out of it at Fat Quarter shop, but we're going to look at it. Cordless sewing machine light that provides 3 levels of brightness alongside a flexible gooseneck. Cool to the touch, LED attaches by hook and loop tape, which is Velcro, to your sewing machine and rests in a cradle for easy USB-C charging. So it's basically just another little light. There is one, it's like a little laser light. I'm not sure who puts that one out. But I would really like to have that one. So let's see what we can find out about that one. All right. Sewing machine. It's a SewQ laser. That's what this one is. And at Fat Quarter shop, it is about $90. Will you please see if you can get her to be quiet?
What am I going to do to her?
Give her that plate.
What? She's had everything over here there is to eat.
Now she'll be quiet. Coco's got to drive me crazy. Sew Laser is a laser system that guides your sewing to help with achieving consistent seam allowances. It is $89.98, it says. Eye-friendly red laser, repositionable, USB powered. Includes an alignment card, hardware to mount laser to the sewing machine, written instructions, and a video. This is what I think I would really, really like, because it's basically a laser that you attach on your sewing machine. It puts a light down here, and it's on top of your fabric where your needle's going to be and you know where it is. So, or your seam allowance or whatever, you can adjust it to either make your seam allowance or right where your needle is, or however you want it to be, you can adjust that. And I think that would be the neatest thing in the world to have. Um, Especially in quilting and you want your seams all to be real accurate, I think that would just be really, really nice to have. This is also a good little lot. It comes with lots of accessories you can get. But this is not something that I have. Let me know if you have it, if you use it. Several of you commented about the seam press ruler. You can hot press ruler and you love it. So I have added that to my Christmas wish list. I have. Um, because you all seem to really like that. And I think it would be a really cool addition. So here you go. There's another one. If you don't have it, you may want to look into it. You may want to get one. Like I said, I don't have it, but this Caterpillar has lots and lots and lots of things. This company does. So check them out. No, I don't get anything for this. They've not even reached out to me or anything. But I just know they have lots of things that you can check out if you're so inclined. So y'all come back tomorrow for day number 10, and I'll see you then.